It's a great day to welcome Commonwealth engineers to Bowling Green. This is a great firm that has been a part of the engineering business since 1974, so they bring a great legacy here to Bowling Green. Bowling Green and Warren County's growth is going to be needing great engineers, and so we're just glad to have them a part of our community.
What a great thing when a business expands to our community, and I think the community is excited about it as well, as you can tell from the number of people that are here for this open house.
I'd like to thank everybody for coming and the support the community's already showing us, and we look forward to serving Bowling Green and the surrounding communities for the years to come.